In this video, I show you how to play the melody of this hymn, Give Me Joy in My Heart. For the first two lines, it's relatively simple. You put your right hand over here, thumb on the C, and your little finger on the 5. But also, because you need to play an A, I would get left hand ready for that A. So it goes like this: 5 5 5 3 2 1 2 1 6 1. 3 2 1 3 2. Yeah. So remember the sequence: 5 5 3 2 1 6 1 5 5 5 3 2 1 3 2. Yeah. The second phrase is very similar to the first. The first half is the same, but the second half is slightly different. It has a scale-like arrangement. 3 2 1. Yeah. 3 5 5 4 3 2 1. Yeah. Relatively straightforward. So I'll play the first two lines together. 3 2 1. And then we have the chorus part. We go 5 3 1 5. Yeah, and then 6 4 2 6. So you keep your position like this, but you move up a tone. And then you have a scale again. Yeah, so you want to play scale from 7 to 1. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 6 5. Yeah, at some point you need to turn your fingers. I think the easiest way is to turn it here. Land your thumb on the 1, and you can play 6 5 very easily. And then I have a repeat. Move hand up, scale. Yeah, want to play the whole thing together. This piece should be played on a D major. That's most arrangement you can see in the market. They are usually arranged in D major. That brings your lowest note to B, which makes it more singable by most people. But A is not too low, because I sing soprano in the choir. That is totally doable for the soprano singers. Anyway, I'm just going to show you how you might be able to play it in D major. I put my number 1 on D. So the D major scale, you can see 1, 2, but 3 landed not on the white note, but on a black note. And the 7 landed on the black note again. That's a D major scale. As you can see, 3 4 and 7 1 are always closer to each other. They only have half tone. Yeah. So it's still going to work in the same way. The number is still going to work like 5 5 5 3 2 1 2 1 6 1. choose to play it in D major, please make sure that F sharp and C sharp, those two black keys need to be used instead of the white key F and C. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to add the bass line. If you're interested, please follow my channel.